The videos you're watching right now are creating a brand new trend in the AI video niche. The realism, satisfying ASMR sounds, and smooth visuals make them feel so natural that they're almost impossible to stop watching. The best part is that you can create these videos in just a couple of minutes without spending a single penny. Now watch what I personally created with AI in just 2 minutes. And today, I'll show you exactly how you can do the same completely free. Let's get started. First, head over to the prompt link in the description below and simply copy the full prompt. After that, open Google Flow. Here, select the video option and then choose Omni as your video model along with your other desired settings. Now paste the prompt into the prompt box. The only thing you need to change is the color name. Simply replace it with any color you like and leave everything else exactly the same. Once you're done, click Generate, and within just a few seconds your AI video will be ready. Let's watch the result together. And that's literally the complete process. With just one prompt and a simple color change, you can create unlimited, unique videos in this style. So that's the complete method. Subscribe to the channel right now so you never miss out on the next viral AI niche the moment it drops. And don't forget to comment below what topic you want me to cover next.